I saw a boy make his final stand today, face down in a bed of sand, body prone, bent, broken like the waves. His chest was not moving. His heart did not beat. Everything around him was suspended in the varied turmoil of land and water, push and pull, as if each were trying to reclaim him. It is like that sometimes when I see the corpse of a stranger. That kind of death from the outside of someone else's final breath. It makes the air stop, the ocean turn more slowly, the earth a cradle, a cemetery, a monument, a stone, like a dead boy resting in the sand.